Greetings, it is Tuesday afternoon, March 30th, 2021. So I unpacked Under the Wings Art Series artwork 40, which is part of a triptych 39, 40, and 41. The figures were drawn in, I have to check the year, I think it was 1997. And 4 years ago, in 2017, I finally drew the wings on Under the Wings 39. So in the photograph, in the Warsaw ghetto photograph, there were several people standing on a sidewalk in the Warsaw ghetto. And I drew 3 of those people. This boy, wearing rags, barefoot, this girl, and a somewhere between middle age and senior years man. And so after I do the wings on this girl, then I'll do the man. That would be Under the Wings 41. So I drew the wings at the Burke Museum of Natural History in their ornithology lab again in 2017, 4 years ago. But with the pandemic now, I found a couple of wings With the pandemic now, I found a couple of wings I have in my studio here, and I'm going to be drawing this one on her left shoulder, which is on viewer's right, and this one on her right shoulder, which is on viewer's left. So to be continued. This will be, I'm going to document the drawing of the wings, first in pencil and then with ink. Birds, what's going on there? I'll get music on in a sec. Hang on. All right, to be continued.